Yeah, welcome to Jamaican versions. You know we do it. We do an American version of a song and then we do the Jamaican version. Today I'm gonna be doing two songs. Bob Dylan's Knocking on Heaven's Door, and the Jamaican version by Luciana, Knocking on Heaven's Door. So here we go with Bob Dylan's Knocking on Heaven's Door. And guys, before we go into the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, I like when you guys comment. So comment and let me guys let me know how the channel is doing, guys. So here we go into Bob Dylan's Knocking on Heaven's Door.
Getting dark, too dark to see. Feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. 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 Mama put my guns in the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. That long black cloud is coming down. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door.
Well, as I guess you guys can see, this song was done as part of a soundtrack to Billy the Kid, the Billy the Kid movie. That was way long ago. And honestly, I watched the movie. I don't remember the song from that movie, but I do know the song from way back then. You know, there's been a couple of versions of it. I'm not sure if Bob Dylan I think he is the original singer, right, of this song, but I'm not sure. But let's listen to a few more lines of this song, you know.
Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door.
So that's Bob Dylan's version of knocking on Heaven's Door. So now I'm gonna be putting up the Luciana version of this song. Okay, so this is the Luciana version of Knocking on Heaven's Door.
It's getting too dark to see.
Yeah, that's the man, Luciana, the messenger, the real messenger. He's saying, oh, take the guns off of me, I can't shoot them anymore. He's knocking on Evan's door. That means, listen, when you're knocking on Evan's door, that means you think you're about to die, you know. You notice nobody ever says knocking on El's door, but when you're shooting guns, he's more likely you're knocking on El's door. But no one ever says knocking on El's door. They said knocking on Evan's door. So here we go with Luciano. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, so that's Luciana's version of knocking on Evan's door. So guys, I'm gonna cut it right there. So this is Big Papa for Vibes in with Jamaican Versions. So thank you guys, and guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, okay? So Big Papa signing out. Thank you.